welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. What we're going to be learning how to do today is how to make a giraffe. And what's going to be really fun about it is how it has such a long neck, and we're going to be able to really play with simple shapes and turn out such a cute animal. Now, if you have some long paper, that could be really fun to make this really big, or like if you have some big canvas, it could be really fun to really make it come to life. Now, if you just have normal paper, that's totally fine too. So go grab your supplies, some mark making things, and let's get started.
So you can go ahead and start by drawing yours in pencil or in marker. I would recommend doing it in pencil in case you make a mistake. So remember, you can do this in a really big piece of paper or a regular piece. That's up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw an oval. Make sure you leave room on the top of the oval for our horns and our ears, and make sure you leave a good amount of space down here for the neck. So don't draw your oval too big or too small, but you can always erase it and try again. So we're going to start by drawing an oval. Then we're going to draw an arch. This is for the snout. Now we'll go ahead and we will draw two ovals coming off the top for the horns. You can draw a circle on the top. Now we'll draw two circles on the sides of the head for our ears. And those little lines going here to show how the ear folds. Two ovals for our eyes. And go ahead and give it eyebrows. Two circles for nostrils. And a smile. Now all we have left is our long neck. And we're going to go all the way down the page. Remember, giraffes have such long necks, skinny and long, and we can give it some fur because they do have fur going down the back of their neck. And I'm just doing short little lines. Next, we will add our circles, our spots on the neck. So we're going to do organic shape. So don't just do some circles. Try to change up what these marks look like. Don't do them all the same size or shape. Have some of them go off the neck. So you see how it's going off. You don't see the whole shape. Have them really change up how they're going to make them look, some will go small, some go big. And really fill up the space. You can add a few more, some small ones. Now we can add our color. So you can color it with anything you have. Remember, giraffes are yellow and brown. So I'm going to pull out, I have this goldish yellow and a brown. The inside of the ears are brown. Remember, make sure we're taking our time coloring nice and neat. We're not rushing. The snout is brown. Now remember, if you want to make your giraffe any color you want, go ahead. You don't need to make it a normal giraffe if you don't want to. And our spots are brown. The rest of the giraffe is yellow. And there is our finished giraffe.
So I hope you had fun making your giraffe out of simple shapes. I think mine turned out so cute. I can't wait to put them up on the wall. And I really want to see what yours looks like. So let me know in the comments below, how did it go? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember, subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, bye friends. Hope you have a wonderful day.